Hello everyone, Miss Chandra here, back with another helpful health lesson on influencers, what shapes our choices. Many things influence what we like, what we think, and what we choose to do. Some of these influences help us make healthier choices, while other things make it harder. These choices include what we eat, drink, and how we stay active. Today we're going to learn about influencers and how to be wise to making healthy choices for ourselves. Family influences. Foods can have an emotional and cultural link and can shape our family's habits. This includes the groceries we buy and have available at home, family eating habits, family favorite foods and holiday celebrations, and the foods we choose to celebrate with, using food for cheering up when feeling bad or as a reward when something goes great, food during fun times like popcorn and candy with a movie. Friend influencers. Just like ourselves, friends have their own influences, and when we get together with them, it can influence us in our choices. Where we go with our friends and what we do with our friends can have an impact on our making healthy choices for ourselves. Do we snack with our friends? Go out to eat anywhere with our friends? What are the things we eat when we're with our friends? Do you choose what your friends eat to fit in? Are you active with your friends, or are you just sitting watching videos, playing video games, and other activities that don't have us up and moving around? One of the greatest influencers around us may be one that you're not even aware of: media influencers. Media is a big influencer. It influences all of us. The job of media and advertising is to sell to us. Media's role is to make us want to buy things, especially food and beverages. What is media? Media includes things that we read and see, including magazines, billboards, and books. Things we watch and hear, including television, movies, radio, and videos. Website and social media. Advertising can include logos, sponsorships, and celebrities. Media is all around us, and we may not even notice it. Media's job is to sell products to us. For kids, products can include toys, clothes, food, snacks, and beverages. Media sells to kids in different ways that include using name brand logos, using fun colors, animals, sounds, and music, using catchy phrases. What commercial can you recite? Using celebrities to promote product. Brands sponsoring sports. What logos do you see your favorite sports players wearing? Have you ever wanted to buy something or try something for one of these reasons? Can you think of a favorite ad you like? What do you like about it? To sell product, media likes to use emotions. Media may make you feel a certain way. It may make you feel happy, sad, excited, and those feelings make you think of their product. When we think of the product, such as a fast food sandwich, we may want to have that sandwich. Maybe a new movie has a kids' meal at a restaurant, and now we want to eat there. You may want to buy a product because of who is selling it, like your favorite sports player or YouTuber. Maybe they were wearing clothes with a Nike logo and now you want the same clothes. Maybe you want to try that new candy because it's in your favorite color. Have you ever wanted something because of how it made you feel? You are probably starting to notice that there are a lot of influencers out there influencing our choices. And while not all influencers are bad, how do we make good choices with so many influences? With family, you can plan healthy choices for meals, snacks, and create updated traditions to include healthy choices for celebrations and activities. This may include adding more fruit or veggies into snack time, or playing a family soccer game instead of meeting for a movie. Friends are fun, but maybe we can influence our friends to make healthier choices, like going for a bike ride instead of watching videos, or eating a healthier snack and grabbing a water than a bag of potato chips and a soda after school. While media is designed to influence us, we can still make good choices. Pay attention to how the media is trying to influence you. What are they trying to sell you? Knowing the how and why media makes things to sell to kids is important. Get your information from trusted sources. There are sources like myplate.gov where you can learn true facts about healthy food and beverage choices. Is what the media is selling to you actually good for you? Just because you like an ad or a celebrity does not mean you have to buy what they are selling. If you're wise to what is being sold to you, you can make better choices for yourself and be media wise.